right. Your car depreciates in value every year. Use the table below to determine the equation of a line. Before I even get started, I'm going to think about logically what happens to a car. You start at a price, and every year it kind of goes down and goes down and goes down. All right, so what's the equation of the line in slope-intercept form? Slope-intercept form really just means y equals mx plus b. Everything we've been doing is y equals mx plus b. All right, so step 1, find the slope. So I'm going to take 16,000, that's y2, minus 28,000 over 5 minus 0. And that will give me negative 12,000 divided by 5, which then gives me negative 2,400. Okay, so that's the value of m. I'm not finished there. I can say, well, I'm going to pick a point. I like to use 0 if that's an option. So 28,000 equals negative 2,400 times 0 plus b. The reason I like to use 0 is because when you multiply by 0, it just cancels out. So b is equal to 28,000. So my equation is y equals negative 2,400 x plus 28,000. Now, does that make sense? This is like your base or your y-intercept, and remember that that's a starting value. Well, if I look right here, how old is my car? It's 0 years old. So that must mean that this number is the starting number. And does that make sense? Of course. What does the slope mean in the context of the problem? Now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to say, well, my slope is negative 2,400. So whatever's happening, this negative means that it's decreasing. So what is decreasing? Remember that this is the y values over the x values. And if I go back, usually your x is years. The years is x. Time is always x. And this is y. So this is car value, which is in dollars, and the x value, which is in years. So what I'm going to say is, what does the slope mean in this problem? That the car value, and because of the negative, I'm going to write decreases $2,400 each, or you could say per year. And the last one, what does the y-intercept mean in the context of the problem? Remember that this is a starting value or initial cost or something meaning at the beginning. So my y-intercept is $28,000 is the starting